ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Learn Kannada Smartapp's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you the letters in Kannada alphabet and its categories in a technical way. So before proceeding further, I want to ask you if you have installed our app. If not done yet, please search for Learn Kannada Smartapp on Google Play Store and install it now. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Do you know how many letters are there in Kannada alphabet? Take a guess. It's 49. Yes, Kannada alphabet has 49 letters. Now we will see how they are categorized. Now open our app, Learn Kannada Smart App, and click on Flexi course. Click on Kannada alphabet, where you will see all the 49 letters. You can learn pronunciation of each letter just by tapping on any of these cards. Now let me tap on some card. It teaches you the pronunciation. Now if you want to know how to write this letter, you can click on how to write, where we will show a simple animation. You can follow the same on our on-screen scribble pad. If it is difficult for you, you can even enable blueprint and just try writing over it. So you can learn pronunciation of all the 49 letters and to write them using our app. Let's see how they are technically categorized. Just like any other language, Kannada language is also Kannada alphabet is also categorized into vowels and consonants, with one more category, yoga vahakagalu. As you can see here, there are 13 vowels in Kannada. Vowels means svaragalu. In Kannada, vowels means svaragalu. So there are 13 vowels, 13 svaragalu. And next category is yoga vahakagalu. There are only 2 yoga vahakagalu, aha. These are the 2 yoga vahakagalu. Now the remaining are consonants. Consonants means vyanjanagalu. Consonants means vyanjanagalu. So these are the 3 categories in Kannada alphabet. Now, based on the pronunciation, the vowels and consonants, svaragalu mattu vyanjanagalu, are categorized further. Let's see. Now, coming to vowels categories. Vowels means svaragalu. Based on the way you pronounce, vowels are categorized into 2, short vowels and long vowels. There is one more category which I'll talk in a bit. Short vowels means rasva svaragalu. Rasva svaragalu. These are rasva svaragalu. Long vowels means dirgha svaragalu. Now what does it mean? Rasva svaragalu means the vowels which you pronounce in a fraction of second. Rasva means like rapid. Rasva swara. If you pronounce this word, first letter, it's a. Now long vowels means dirgha swaragalu. Dirgha means lengthy. Dirgha swaragalu. So these are dirgha swaragalu. The first letter is a. Now if you go back to our app, you can try the first letter. A. This is rasva swara. A. Now the second letter. A. This is dirgha swara. A. This is dirgha swara. Okay. Now what is the third category? Third category is plutha swara. Plutha swara is very long vowels. Now what are they? You might have seen beggars asking for money or something like with a lengthy tone, right? Amma, anna. That is called plutha swara in Kannada. Okay. So basically there are 3 categories in vowels: rasva swara, dirgha swara, plutha swara. Great. Now you know about vowels. Let's proceed further. Coming to consonants. Consonants is also classified into 2. The first category is classified consonants. Second category is unclassified consonants. So classified consonants means these consonants, vyanjanagalu, ee vyanjanagalu, they are categorized further based on the way you pronounce. and the second is unclassified. These are not classified any further. Okay, this is the end. These are unclassified. Ya to la. Now classified. How they are classified again? The consonants. This is also classified based on the way you pronounce. This is categorized based on the amount of breath you take to pronounce each letter. If you see the first letter in the classified consonants, it is ka. It is ka. And the second letter is kha. Kha. So you see the difference. To pronounce the first letter, it doesn't require much breath, but the second one requires. So based on that, classified consonants are categorized into, the first category is unaspirated. The first one is alpa prana. The first category is, this is called alpa prana vyanjanagalu. And the second one is mahaprana vyanjanagalu. Prana means, in this context, prana means breathe. Alpa prana, alpa means short. Mahaprana, maha is like more, great. Okay, mahaprana. And the third one is nasal consonants. Nasal means you have to use your nose to pronounce these consonants. Now, if you want to try them, you can just navigate to our app. Let's try some alpa prana vyanjana. See, this is ka.
Ka.
This is ka. You require very less breath to pronounce it.
Ka.
Ka. So this is mahaprana. It's an aspirated consonant. And the third one is nasal consonant.
Nya.
Nya. Nya.
Na.
Na. So to pronounce this, you need help of your nose. So that's why they are called nasal consonants. Okay. So this is how the letters in Kannada alphabet are categorized. If you see, first one is vowels, svaragalu, yoga vahakagalu, and then consonants, vyanjanagalu. And then vowels are categorized into short vowels, rasva svaragalu, long vowels, dirgha svaragalu, very long vowels, pluta svaragalu. And consonants are classified into two categories, classified and unclassified. Classified means vargiya vyanjanagalu. Varga means category. Vargiya vyanjanagalu, avargiya vyanjanagalu. And the last one is alpa prana vyanjanagalu, mahaprana vyanjanagalu, mattu anunasika vyanjanagalu. Nasal consonants means anunasika vyanjanagalu. So that's it, guys. This is how Kannada alphabet is categorized. They say that Kannada letters are categorized in a scientific manner. I have just explained on the way it is and the way through pronunciation. There is one more thing which I'll make a different video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel, like it, comment it, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and family. Give your feedback. Thank you.